What's up, YouTube? Coming to you from our Lego room. We're going today to be showing you our Lego house. Our house made out of Lego. So this is done to scale of 1 stud per foot. And we'll just give you an outside tour. And Matthew will explain the intricacies of the house using our Lego minifig.
So first we need to take the roof off. So this is the top floor, and this is Mom and Dad's room, and then this is the washroom, this is the closet, and this is Owen's room, and this is the washroom, this is my room, and this is Ben's room, and this is the toy room. And here are the stairs to go downstairs. And then you can go down the stairs, and here's the washroom and the office. And then here is the dining room, and this is the living room with the kitchen and the eating table. And here's the couch and the table and the TV and the fireplace. And then here is the front door to go in, and here are the stairs. And then, and here's the balcony that you can go in when it's hot outside. And then here is the downstairs here is the room that we are in right now, and that's the Lego house.
So there's the Lego house inside the Lego house.
And then here is just another room in the basement. Here is the shower and the washroom. And then here is the fireplace and the couch. And then in here, that is the garage. And these are all the cars.
So this is a mixture of cars we used to have, cars we want to have, and cars we'll never have. The car we used to have was the Mazda RX-7 in silver color.
And this is a McLaren, the Lego McLaren. That's a Lamborghini. And the girl.
Don't die!